everybody, in this video I am using Breakdance on WordPress, and I'm going to go over how to fix it with a little bit of code so that your header here is not intruding on your post page for your blogs. So it's not intruding. You can see my words are cut off here. If you're interested in fixing your header on all other pages except your post page, like this one, please check out this other video up here. I'll also put the link in the description below where I go over how I made it so that there was space here. But if you're looking for how to fix it on specifically a blog post page, this is how you do it. So we're going to go into our back end of WordPress, and you're going to go to, depending on how you set yours up. Personally, I did Breakdance and then templates, and I created a single post template so that when I do the post in WordPress, it is kind of styled the way I want based on this. So I'm going to click Edit in Breakdance. You can also put this onto each blog post if you're doing it differently, but this is what you would do. So you'll notice that this is very much cut off. What we're going to do is click on a section so we get the area over here. Specifically click on this top section that's getting cut off, and you can make sure that that's selected. You can also click over on the layers and go to the top one up here. Then over here, when you're on that section, you're going to go to the little gear, and then we're going to go to advanced, and we are going to remove everything that is here, and we are going to paste a piece of code. And you can see me doing that right there, moved it down immediately. So you can play with this amount. So depending on kind of what yours looks like and what amount you want, you can play with that pixel amount. So that right there will basically shift it down, and don't forget to click save. And then once you go back to your actual page, you know, once everything actually goes through, dun, 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 it should be all set. That is how you can fix that.